Hi, my name is Dale Maley. In this short video, I'm going to explain to you how I control the direction that a hand model can be cranked. A little background on this project. I really like to build hand crank wood models because I build over 50 of them. Now some of these models just won't work if you crank them in the wrong direction. And my experience says that kids, they like to try cranking in both directions. That could be a bad thing for some of my models to crank them the wrong direction. So how do you control which direction the model can be cranked? So what I use on my wood models, I use what's really a very old concept. It's shown on the left here. Probably, if I had to guess, it dates back to the Industrial Revolution, probably in the 1870s, 1880s. Don't know for sure, but it's very old. And I've seen versions of that on an old drill press I have. Anyway, I decided to modify that and use that on my wood models. So next we'll take a look at a video of one of my models in action that has this concept. So I'll start out cranking the model in the right direction. You can see the ratcheting pawl simply raises and lowers, does not affect the direction at all. Now I'm trying to reverse it, and you see it prevents rotation in the wrong direction. And you'll see it again here. It stops the direction. Here's normal operation and stopping the direction. So some closing thoughts on this project. The ratcheting pawl concept is a very neat way to prevent models from being cranked in the wrong direction. I've used different variations of that on many different models. You do need to design the pawl to be strong enough so that when kids do try to crank them in the wrong direction, it doesn't break the pawl or any of that mechanism. But I have that on quite a few models, and it works very well. So in summary, this video explains how to use a ratcheting pawl concept to control the direction of rotation. Hopefully this video helps you on your projects. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Thank you.